Hey guys, welcome to JoggersQ. This is Pramod and I'll be talking about the gym management software. So once you get into our website, this is the page you want to see. If you see here, you can create your account for 10-day free trial. This is how it looks. And if you already have the account, just log in. This is how the dashboard looks. Now this is a fresh account and you don't see anything because I have created this account solely for the demo. Let us understand how it works. Um, this is a dashboard wherein you see total monthly earnings and end of the day the cash receipt or card receipt or the online receipt for your settlements. And if somebody have paid the advance, that can also be seen here. It clearly gives you an idea about how many members are there in the gym. Meaning how many memberships you have sold, how many have them come for renewals, how many of them have paid the amount, how many of them have paid the half amount. So next 30 day due amount pending, like due default list, meaning if anybody have paid the half of the amount and rest of the half to be paid by today and they haven't paid, so it goes into the default list. And if you have a biometric attendance system, you can integrate our software and you can know how many people are there in the gym, like how many staff in the gym, what is the footfall, and what time they are logging in, and then we can see all the logs. Anyway, I'll go in detail with every option. This is just an introductory video and see how the things are like. So we have a lead management system wherein you can add the lead and you can follow the leads later. So you have member profiles. You can add the member. If somebody is joining your gym, you can add the member, create bills, etc. And you can view all the members. So you can create your packages like suppose 3 months gym membership, 6 months gym memberships, etc. etc. And you can view all the packages as well. You can see the membership details, meaning basically suppose you are creating a bill, so that will be reflected here. And if somebody is taking an additional service, meaning Zumba, personal training, a boxing class, etc., etc., so that will be created as separate membership, and all the memberships can be seen here. Meaning one member can have n number of memberships of different activities. So here billing history, you can get all the reports downloaded, and you can see how the business is, and this can be used for accounting as well. So live members shows so many people are working out presently in the gym. Meaning, suppose 10 people have logged into the gym, and you can see all the details of 10 people here. If you are using a biometric attendance system or any other attendance system, so you can create exercises, you can create workouts, you can create group classes, you can send notifications, SMS over the phone or through the app or through the SMS services. Even you can have a promotional SMS also, meaning if you want to send any promotion to I mean, some 100 numbers or 200 numbers. So you can have the numbers inside this promotion option, and then you can send it as a bulk message. So gym setup, yeah, you can. This I'll come to you later during the detailed explanation. So this is how it is, and we have a tutorial videos also. Whatever we are making the tutorials, you can directly go to the tutorial page and you can see all the videos of different functions in detail. Contact us, yeah. So you guys have any problem with the usage of the software, you can directly contact us in the given numbers. So the beauty of this software is it is not just a billing system. We have put so many things in it wherein you can increase your business. Meaning it helps to improve your business because uh, it is suppose last month you have done uh, a number, meaning let us say 3 lakh as a monthly business. So this software helps in increasing that 3 lakh to maybe 3.2 or 3.4 or 3.5. So that's how this software is used. When I explain you all the package creations and how the memberships which you are selling to be retained, so that detailed explanation will be explained in the next videos. Hope this video gives you a broad picture of the software. See you in the next videos. Thank you.